Unit 12, lesson 114, vocabulary. Let's see extra vocabulary here. Match the columns according to their meanings. So press pause now, match these columns very quickly, and after that we are going to do it together, and we are going to see some examples of how to implement this new vocabulary. So press pause now and do it. All right, let's do it. 1. To change subject of a conversation. You see, let's move on, okay? Suppose you are having a meeting, you have a conversation, then you get stuck in a theme, in a topic, okay? And then you can say, all right, let's move on. Or you can say, shall we move on? Okay, so move on, you change subject in a conversation. 2, to be more important than something else. When something is more important than the other, you can say outweigh. Okay, for example, studying English outweighs spending time on social media, okay? Because studying English is more important, so it outweighs, okay, spending time on social media. 3, to discuss something in order to come to an agreement with another person. To negotiate. To negotiate or to come to terms with someone, okay? 4, to make someone want to do something in a positive way. It's to motivate someone. To motivate, to encourage, okay? 5, regardless of, despite, okay? I'll travel regardless of the weather. I'll travel despite the weather. Okay? Don't say despite of. That doesn't exist, okay? Regardless, despite, or in spite of. Okay, in spite of. 6, when something is difficult to do, you can say it's easier said than done. It's an idiom, huh? Okay? For example, you just need to work, make money, and travel the world. Wow. It's easier said than done. Okay? It's easier said than done. And number 7, when something can be useful, something can come in handy, okay? For example, I'll save this thing. It can come handy. It means it can be useful. It can come handy, okay? And number 8, in the end, at the end of the day, okay? We don't say in the end of the day. It's in the end or at the end of the day, okay? Make sure you write this vocabulary down so you don't forget it. And I see you in the next lesson for the last writing. So I see you soon.